Alright, so I started cleaning up the floors. I did get these patches put back in. I just gotta put a little patch right there and then finish welding all this. But there is a small hole here, so I am going to patch that. The rest of the floor looks solid. We did the front. So I'm just going to put a small piece there, bang it all around, and hopefully it should be good. I think we'll be good for this side of the car. Alright, so I got that tacked in there. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, the rest of the car I think is all done, except for all the button-up welding. That's all patched in. I mean, it's not the prettiest job, but I used the metal I had just to get rid of it. Oh, I gotta do that one little patch there, but that's not a big deal. But this middle floor turned out, I think it's okay. I wire wheeled it a little bit. I think it's solid, except for that little patch I put in. So I'm leaving it. And the rest of the car is all done. That side's done. That middle, I had to do the middle on that side. And then that side. So I don't think I'm even going to grind the welds because I'm putting carpet. Just might as well just leave it, seam seal it. And like I said, I'll get it up on the hoist.